I don't know about you, but when I see forecasts in Nashville of highs under 20 and lows in the single digits, snow, and it's not even Christmas, my thoughts head south. Further south. And what is the most popular destination in the US? Maybe you guessed it. It's Orlando, Florida. After all the extravagances around the holidays, I'm looking for good deals. The travel agents say if you book 25 days in advance, you can save around $200 on a ticket. But where's the spontaneity in that? It's not an expensive flight from Nashville to Orlando. You could even drive straight down I-75, if you don't mind it taking about 10 hours to get there. On the other hand, Spirit has a non-stop no-frills flight for less than $50, and you could be there in less than 2 hours. Doesn't that sound great? Orlando is a fabulous place for a romantic winter couple's getaway, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. The famous attraction there of course is Disney World, and one of the least expensive times to go is January and February, with the exclusion of President's Day weekend. So, this is shaping up to be my best pick for a spontaneous romantic winter getaway. Can't you just envision Tinkerbell's magical fairy dust and that iconic enchanted castle? Listen as we unpack some inside secrets to hacking the best deals, the shortest wait times, and the most romantic places to dine, right down to the most stress-free way to pack for Orlando in winter. For a quick and easy getaway, you'll want to travel as lightly and sensibly as possible. Weather in Orlando in January is mild, with average daytime temperatures of around 72 degrees and nighttime temps around 51. But these can fluctuate, so layered clothing is your best bet. Go for a versatile, light jacket, with a t-shirt or tank underneath that can also be worn by itself. Nice or colored jeans are acceptable almost anywhere. Add a dressy and comfortable little black dress or dress slacks that go with the jacket for dinners. Stick with a color scheme that matches everything. Bring only comfortable shoes you can walk a long distance in. You'll be glad you did. Lifestride has a women's Giovanna too with a high Amazon customer rating that looks dressy yet comfy for $35 in all the classic colors to go with your ensemble. Go minimalist. Pack any additional shoes in plastic bags to keep the rest of your clothing clean and store them in the bottom of your suitcase. You can even pack your clothing in travel Ziplocs as well. Less is more. Don't carry expensive jewelry. Just wear some simple pieces that go with everything. Whether you roll or fold your clothes, you can go for one of those incredible Soliguard carry-on closets for around $300. It's built to last and has everything you need, including wheels to get you through the airport, but flight attendants swear by the Travel Pro Max Lite for $135, and either Amazon or Temu can set you up with another version for less than $25. The standard limit is one carry-on bag and one personal item per passenger. You can get a pair of foldable travel bags on Amazon for just under $10 that you could pack in your carry-ons for purchases. These can fit under your seats on the way back and still meet the Spirit Airlines personal item carry-on limit of 18 by 14 by 8 inches or less. These duffels can even slide over the luggage handle. Your crossbody mini purse or wallet can go in the front or zip pocket to keep your essentials close at hand and stay under the personal item limit. You can even tuck in a foldable backpack for your treks around Disney World. Hotels will usually have an iron, a hairdryer, shampoo, conditioner, and soap. There are affordable travel size everything from toiletries to curling irons. Keep them small and only take necessities. You'll need sunscreen, sunglasses, or maybe a visor. And mosquitoes are present year-round. There are mosquito-proof clothing and UV protection sun shirts that look like normal clothing, so these are options to keep in mind. Off Deep Woods has travel wipes on Amazon, and these are not considered hazardous materials by the FAA. Be prepared by packing a tiny travel umbrella and raincoat, so much cheaper and more convenient than having to buy these at $50 in the middle of a downpour. You can even find inexpensive, collapsible water bottles to take with you. Refills are free throughout areas of Disney. The Transportation Security Administration limits liquids to 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less per item. Keep toiletries in clear bags that are easily accessible for the screening process. Now that we've got packing all tucked away, time for the fun stuff. Unless you're a little nerdy, and that was the fun stuff for you. Now let's dive right into the best pick of the 4-star hotels in Orlando in the less than 100 to less than 250 a night range, with a spa, heated pool, exceptional restaurants, and endless amenities, close to Disney World. My first pick is Windham Grand Orlando Resort Bonnet Creek, located at 14651 Chelonia Parkway, Orlando, Florida. It's listed as one of the best Windham hotels worldwide, especially for the price. It's not within actual walking distance to Disney World, but is in convenient proximity at only 1.5 miles. The grounds are so beautiful and adventure-filled, you may never want to leave the hotel property. Bonnet Bay. Windham Grand Orlando Hotel overlooks Bonnet Bay, its own 10-acre lake, which is bordered on all sides by a walking path, restaurants, and pavilions. There is miniature golf and 5 pools on the property, near the hotel, one of which is called the Pirate Ship Pool, and 2 of which are lazy rivers. All are heated to a balmy 82 degrees, with fencing around the pools to keep out Lewis and his friends. The Windham has a 24-hour fitness center, a spa, restaurants, a bar, and its own barista. There are multiple room selections, including those with ADA accessibility. The deluxe king bed with balcony room has a large private balcony with pillow-top mattresses and provides an additional queen-size sleeper. The decor is Mediterranean. There is wireless internet, a 55-inch flat-screen TV, a mini fridge, and a coffee and tea maker in your room with premium brands. You can also request turn-down service and wake-up calls. The Windham charges a resort fee of $39 per day plus tax, but this includes shuttle service to and from Walt Disney World theme parks and Disney Springs, as well as high-speed Wi-Fi, access to the business center, and a state-of-the-art fitness center, 10% off services and products at their Blue Harmony Spa, with access to Club Windham amenities. You also get 2 bottles of water in your room per stay. Services at the Blue Harmony Spa include mani-pedis, facials, couples massage with a foot scrub and complimentary champagne when offered, deep tissue massage, with Himalayan sea salt stones, or choose a comprehensive spa package to really help you unwind. The spa has a relaxation lounge with steam rooms and experience showers, with plush spa robes and sandals to relax in. Right now, Windham is offering an additional 20% or more off for 3 or more consecutive nights, 15% off for 2, and 10% off for 1 night. As always, check with the hotel or your travel agent for fluctuating deals and prices. That should help you relax even more. Pools. As previously mentioned, Windham has 5 outdoor pools, including a lagoon-style pool with poolside concierge, pool deck cabanas and fire pit areas. Dining. As for dining, breakfast is waiting for you at Tesoro Cove, from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. daily. They are known for fast service and great coffees to go with their endless pastry basket of croissants, assorted Danish pastries and mini muffins. With Michelin buffet selections such as artisan omelets, Belgian waffles, scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, breakfast potatoes, pancakes, oatmeal, seasonal fruits, yogurt selections, and smoked salmon. Drink offerings include breakfast-themed mimosas and bacon Bloody Marys. They also have bottomless fresh Florida orange or grapefruit juice, cranberry, apple or tomato juice, Starbucks coffee, Tazo tea, and Pepsi fountain drinks. They are fully wheelchair accessible from the entrance to the parking lot, to restrooms and seating. They also serve lunch and dinner. Or for a scenic experience, you can head over to the Back Bay Bar and Grill, with a view of Bonnet Bay, open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Thursday through Saturday with a kid-friendly bar food menu of chicken tenders, hamburgers, hot dogs and mocktails. Desserts are funnel fries, key lime pie, or chocolate cheesecake with raspberry coulis, meaning thick raspberry sauce. Fine dining is served nightly from 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. at the Deep Blue with executive chef Cecil Rodriguez. Enjoy appetizer plates such as their shrimp cocktail with house cocktail sauce, chipotle agua chili, and grilled lemon, deep blue crab cake, Prince Edward Island mussels, or butternut squash soup. Entrees feature seared scallops, crusted grouper with béarnaise, asparagus, and roasted potatoes, a grown-up mac and cheese with smoked Gouda, Munster, and lump blue crab, which sounds divine. Try the grilled swordfish, or grilled salmon with fingerling potatoes, roasted fennel, charred lemon cream, dill oil and petite greens, half chicken and vegetables, or their 10-ounce grilled ribeye, with potato puree, grilled asparagus, and deep blue steak sauce with anchovies. Bar 1521. Happy hour is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. daily at Bar 1521. Appetizers and sushi are available daily from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. For a morning or evening in, the Grand Eats delivery from the barista is at your service daily from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. with a fairly extensive menu. Different delicious options are available depending on the time of day. Order beverages from juices to soda, beer, wine, and cocktails from 5 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. daily. Disney. The winter months are also an economical time to visit Disney World theme parks in Orlando. The crowds are smaller, and the lines are shorter in January, midweek, especially. You can view live Epcot wait times, for example online by the attraction, whether ride, show, or restaurant. The Windham has a designated Disney theme park ticket center, but depending on your style, it is also recommended to get them in advance from your My Disney Experience account. Go to the Park Pass calendar to check theme park availability for your schedule and purchase your tickets online or with the My Disney Experience mobile app. Gators. A word about resort lakes, lagoons, and really any open body of fresh water in Florida. Orlando is near one of the most densely gator-populated lakes in the state of Florida, in Seminole County, about 45 minutes north. Lake Jesup, also one of the largest lakes in Central Florida, is reportedly home sweet home to no less than 13,000 of these creatures. While alligators are a truly intriguing species, extreme caution should be taken to avoid unintentionally provoking them, which could result in tragedy. To coexist and stay safe, observe all warning signs, stay away from any lake water's edge, from where they ambush their prey, especially after rainfall, and do not trespass fencing. This should go without saying, but do not feed them. Do not throw things at them, run or yell at them, harass or provoke them in any way. Do not swim, float, or wade in any natural body of fresh swampy water, especially at night, dusk, or dawn when they are most active. Keep pets on a leash or at home, and kids on a figurative leash, and just stay away from these areas. Alligators are less active in winter, and sleep up to 17 hours a day, but during their mating season, which is typically April to June, males can cover a range of over 1,000 acres in the pursuit of l'amour. Contrary to folklore, although their ancestors belonged to the same order and evolved in the same time period around 245 million years ago, they are not true dinosaurs. They are usually not aggressive if unprovoked, but they can see better than we can. They have superior night vision, can climb non-alligator-proof fences, can sprint as fast as 35 miles per hour on land, and though incidents are less frequent, have also been known to attack on land. If you are approached, it's better to slowly back away. Running away in a zigzag pattern is a myth. Run in a straight line. Better yet, stick to the fenced-in pools or take a professional tour if you'd like to get a closer look. Baby alligators are kind of cute, but if you see one, keep in mind Mama Gator will be nearby. Their strong maternal instinct does give them a reputation for fiercely protecting their young. It is also a third-degree felony under Florida law to kill, injure, harass, feed or capture and keep an alligator or its eggs without a license. You could serve 5 years and pay a fine of up to $5,000. All this being said, there have been no actual reported attacks at the hotel resort and spas in this video. Now that you know more about alligator safety, let's have a look at one more resort spa. If you're looking for a more casual experience but still want to relax at a resort spa, you should try the Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa at 9500 Turkey Lake Road, in Orlando, which is as of this writing advertising a villa studio, standard room for $85 a night, with all taxes and fees included for 2 adults. Their villa studio is $149 a night and features an alarm clock, hairdryer, microwave, balcony, coffee maker, DVD player, a room safe, kitchenette, internet access, and refrigerator. This full-service resort is also lakefront, and features roomy villas, along with 7 pools and hot tubs. Their Serenity Spa services include aromatherapy, body scrubs, treatments and wraps, facials and hydrotherapy, mani-pedis, massages, a sauna and a steam room. You can choose from less formal, but still award-winning restaurants such as their Draft Sports Bar and Grill, Sid's Bistro, Joe's Marketplace and Deli, Cordovano Joe's Pizza, or room service. The poolside bars are closed for the season. There is an 18-hole mini golf course, as well as basketball, tennis, and volleyball courts. Westgate has 7 outdoor heated pools, 6 hot tubs, the Treasure Cove Water Park barbecue grills, bicycles, a fitness center with a personal trainer, Zumba and yoga classes, cardio machines, weight training and a juice bar smoothie menu. Their rooms are accessible as are their paths of travel, with service animals welcome. Languages spoken are English, Portuguese and Spanish. It's a little further out from Disney, but not far. Walt Disney World Resort and SeaWorld Orlando are each a 7-minute drive, Discovery Cove is 6 minutes, International Drive is 5 minutes, Universal Orlando Resort is a 4-minute drive and Orange County Convention Center is a 10-minute drive. You can get discount Disney tickets and park hopper tickets at Westgate reservations. For example, a one-day Epcot theme park ticket, for ages 10 plus is $144 today. Whether you go for the Windham or the Westgate, both resorts deserve a wow for value. I'm Wanderlust. I hope you enjoyed this comprehensive Wanderlust travel guide for a romantic couples-only winter getaway to Orlando. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join me on more travel adventures to come.